Good day. Today I will show you how you can send a treatment plan using the PX portal or the PatientXpress dashboard. First, you just need to access your PX dashboard, and then click on the patient that you want to send a treatment plan. A pop-up will then show up to the screen displaying the patient info page. Go ahead and click on the medic bag icon on the pop-up. You will now be routed to the treatment plan page, where you can select the treatment plan you need for this patient. You can also add photos or a link to the video you wish to add to this treatment plan you wish to send to the patient. For this part, one will attach a sample photo we can see later on. Also, you can set the payment plans the patient can choose from this page. You can go ahead and edit the existing, or you can go ahead and add a new one. The patient can also sign this page right away using the clinic's tablet. They just need to sign on the box and hit the Submit button, or you can send them either a text or an email. We will now see how the patient receive and fill out this treatment plan if we send it to the patient. This is an example of the email the patient will receive. Once they clicked on the Click Here button, they will then ask to verify their date of birth. Once verified, it will then show the patient's treatment plan details, their payment options, the photo that was uploaded, and the signature box where they can sign this treatment plans. After all this is done, they just need to click on the Submit button to submit the treatment plan form. And then the treatment plan will now be marked as signed on Open Dental, and the copy of the signed document of the patient and the photo that was uploaded will then be added to the imaging folder. And that is it. That is how you can send out your treatment plans to your patients. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.